sit back, relax, we've reached our cruising altitude. And if you're going upward, then you better adjust that attitude. All of the bullshit we've been through, starting to fade into the blue. You gain a new perspective when you start reflecting from this point of view. And they tell me that my head's in the clouds,